Measuring granules color with the Aeros Spectrophotometer. Introduction and safety. Welcome. This video will guide you through the correct procedure for measuring the color of roofing granules using the HunterLab Aeros Spectrophotometer. Before we begin, safety is the top priority. Be sure to follow your safety procedures and wear the required personal protective equipment while performing this procedure in the lab. Daily standardization. To ensure accuracy, the spectrophotometer must be standardized at least once every 24 hours. The software will prompt you if it's required. Begin by launching the EasyMatch QC software from the desktop. Now get ready to standardize your instrument. To start standardization, click the Standardize button. Follow the on-screen prompts. First, the software will ask you to move the sensor to the top position. Click Next. Locate the magnetic standardization box. Attach the box to the sensor head, then attach the reflective black glass to the box, making sure the lines are aligned. Click Next. When prompted, remove the reflective black glass and attach the calibrated instrument standard or white tile, again aligning the lines. Click Next. When prompted, remove the calibrated instrument standard tile and attach the diagnostic check tile or green tile, again aligning the lines. Click Next. Once you see the standardization is completed message, click Finish and remove the standardization box. If you get a fail message, clean the tiles and repeat the process. Weekly green tile diagnostic check. At least once per week, a green tile diagnostic check must be performed to verify the instrument's performance. In the top menu, navigate to Sensor, then Diagnostics, and select Green Tile Test. Follow the prompts, which will first guide you through the same reflective black glass and white tile standardization we just performed. After standardization, the software will ask for the diagnostic check tile or green tile. Place the green check tile under the sensor port and press OK. Wait for the instrument to complete the test. A Diagnostics Green Tile Test Result dialog box will appear. Click Yes to close the job. The EasyMatch QC Green Tile Test Report will open in a new window. Close the window to continue. Sample preparation and measurement. Now let's measure a sample. It's critical that your granule sample is representative of the product and is at room temperature before reading. Pour the granules into the 6-inch diameter sample tray, slightly overfilling it. Next, use a tool with a straight edge to level the granules. Scrape off the excess material, creating a smooth, flat, and even surface. The granules should be level with the top of the tray. Place the tray onto the instrument's turntable, aligning it with the spindle. Ensure that the horizontal arm indication is at 2.5 mark on the side scale. In the software, click the Read Sample button or press the F3 key. You may be prompted to enter a sample ID or other information. Press Enter to begin the measurement. The instrument will automatically rotate the sample and take the reading. The results are displayed on the screen and saved to the database. Repeat the process for any additional samples. Basic maintenance and troubleshooting. Proper maintenance is key. Always store the standardization tiles in their protective standards box when not in use. The tiles can be cleaned with a lint-free towel and isopropyl alcohol. Avoid touching the surface of the tiles with your fingers. Regularly sweep away any loose granules from the turntable and surrounding area to prevent them from obstructing movement. The turntable platter is magnetically held in place and can be lifted to clean inside. Once cleaned, replace the platter and rotate to ensure it is properly seated by the magnets. If the software ever tells you to remove the standardization box when it's already off, it means the sensors are dirty. Clean these 3 areas on the sensor head with a clean cloth and isopropyl alcohol. If the Aeros sensor head fails to move or displays a stall error, then the drive mechanism may be dirty. This issue can sometimes be resolved by moving the sensor from the top to the bottom of its travel range. To perform this operation, first select the up arrow icon on the sensor menu. This will move the sensor to the top. Next, select the gear icon on the sensor menu and then click on Diagnostics. Next, select Advanced Diagnostics, then click Park for Shipping. This will lower the sensor. You can gently assist the sensor head in moving up and down to aid in removing the impediments. Click Cancel when prompted if you would like to close the application. If this does not resolve the movement issue, then the instrument will need to be serviced. Following these procedures will ensure consistent and accurate color measurements. Schedule a demo now at HunterLab.com.